Hello everyone, this is Sunny from NSE LED. Glad to see you again. We shared previous videos from the aspect of LED poster applications. In today's video, I will guide you how to use the USB and how to connect the speakers to operate the LED poster. Let's go to start. Before we begin to operate, we need to have an empty USB ready. Select the pictures or videos you want to play. Adjust it and insert the prepared USB. This is done. This is the USB. I will plug it into the USB port. Look, you can successfully use the LED poster with USB. However, in the process of use, customers' needs are different. Most of the customers hope our LED poster not only can play videos or pictures, and also can play sounds. And then I will show you how to use the LED poster to connect the speakers to play sound. First, prepare a voice box. Connect the speakers to the LED poster like this. And you can successfully play the sound. Let's enjoy a video together.
Hey kids, check out Skechers Ice Lights. The cool new way to experience lighted footwear is here. With completely transparent bottoms that are as see-through as ice, everyone can now charge up their ice lights for hours of lighted fun. With one-touch action, choose your mood with 7 different cool colors. For out-of-this-world futuristic lights in awesome styles, get cool and light up the night with Skechers Ice Lights.
Okay, this is my tutorial video today. Have you got it? Thanks for watching and see you next time.